Question 7. A solution Y is known to contain one type of group 2 metal ion, so something like magnesium, Mg2+, or calcium, Ca2+, and one type of negative ion. Aqueous solutions of sulfuric acid and magnesium nitrate are added to separate solutions of Y. The observations are shown in Table 5. Something forms a white precipitate with sulfuric acid. Now, sulfuric acid makes sulfates, and I'm immediately thinking barium sulfate, because barium sulfate is a white solid used in barium meals. So I'm immediately thinking that barium might be the group 2 metal ion. White precipitate forms with magnesium nitrate. That could be magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, something like that. So I want barium something that's a solution. Barium carbonate's a solid, barium sulfate's a solid. Barium hydroxide is a solution because as you go up group, down group 2, then the hydroxides become less soluble. As you go up group 2, something like magnesium hydroxide is less soluble. So barium hydroxide's looking good here. Barium hydroxide making barium sulfate with sulfuric acid and magnesium hydroxide as a white solid is looking favourable. Barium hydroxide suggests the identity of group 2 metal is barium, Ba2+, and the ionic equation for rate takes place with sulfuric acid. Well, I know barium is Ba2+ because it's in group 2, so the ion loses 2 electrons to fill up its outer shell. You've got to know that a sulfate ion is SO42-, so Ba2+ and SO42- make BaSO4. It's got no charge on it, so 2 plus and 2 cancel each other. It's got no charge, and that's why it's a solid, because it's got no charge. The negative ion is a hydroxide ion, OH-. Magnesium, Mg is 2+, because it's in group 2, so Mg2+, losing 2 electrons to fill up its outer shell, Mg2+. OH- ion, again you've got to know that OH- ion is a hydroxide ion, so it's going to need 2 of those, 2 minuses to cancel out with the 2+, and it's going to form MgOH in brackets twice. Got to be a bracket because I've got 2 atoms, 2 capital letters here, 2 symbols, so I'm going to need a bracket around it so that I can balance up both of those.